Hi everyone, I'm Harry Urban, publisher of FDMC Magazine and Woodworking Network. And I want to introduce you to the 2019 Market Access Guide, or as we call it, the MAG. Now inside the 32 pages of the MAG are 50 plus opportunities for you to increase market share, build brand awareness, and sell more products to your customers. Now by all accounts, IWF 2018 was the best show in 10 years. Attendees were buying equipment and they were on the lookout for new materials and supplies to help them prepare for 2019, which should be another banner year. The Market Access Guide will help you prepare for 2019. So please join us in our mission to bring buyers and sellers together through our resources for the wood products industry. Contact your market manager today. Thanks for your time.